Have you ever faced a problem that left you completely stuck? Like you're staring at a wall with no clue how to break through? Now imagine this. What if you could approach every challenge in life with crystal clear clarity and confidence? The secret isn't luck or talent, it's critical thinking. And here's the best part, it's a skill anyone can master. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to think sharper, act smarter, and make better decisions. Critical thinking isn't just for scientists or philosophers. It's a skill that can transform your daily life. Whether it's deciding what career to pursue, managing a tough relationship, or solving a complex work problem, critical thinking helps you make better choices faster. Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps you can start practicing right now. Step 1. Master the art of asking questions. The foundation of critical thinking is curiosity. Start by asking questions, lots of them. Why is this happening? What's the evidence? What alternatives haven't been considered? Questions like these force your brain to think beyond the obvious. It's like solving a mystery. Every answer brings you closer to the truth. Remember, the quality of your questions determines the quality of your thinking. Step 2. Break it down. When faced with a big, overwhelming problem, break it into smaller, more manageable pieces. Instead of thinking, why is my project failing? Ask, is it a resource issue, a deadline problem, or maybe poor communication? Tackling one piece at a time makes the solution more obvious and way less stressful. Step 3. Challenge your assumptions. One of the biggest barriers to critical thinking is our own assumptions. We all have them. They're the shortcuts our brains use to make sense of the world. But assumptions can mislead us. Next time you catch yourself saying, this is just the way things are, pause and ask, is that really true? Could there be another explanation? By questioning your assumptions, you open yourself to new and better ideas. Step 4. Develop observation skills. Observation is the secret weapon of a great thinker. Pay attention to details, whether it's a subtle change in someone's tone of voice, an inconsistency in a report, or patterns that others miss. Great critical thinkers see what others overlook. Start practicing mindfulness in everyday life, and you'll find your observation skills naturally sharpen over time. Step 5. Gather reliable information. In the age of information, not everything you hear or read is true. A critical thinker knows how to separate fact from fiction. Always ask yourself, where is this information coming from? Is it reliable? Are there other sources that confirm it? Build your decisions on solid evidence, not hearsay or gut feelings. Step 6. Weigh the pros and cons. Before making a decision, take a moment to evaluate the pros and cons. This simple exercise forces you to think about the potential outcomes of your choices. It's not just about what feels good in the moment, it's about what makes sense in the long run. A well-thought-out decision is always better than a rushed one. Step 7. Embrace reflection. Reflection is the final step and often the most overlooked. After every major decision or problem-solving session, take time to reflect. What worked? What didn't? What could you do differently next time? Reflection isn't just about learning from mistakes. It's about continuously improving the way you think and act. Step 8. Surround yourself with diverse perspectives. Critical thinkers don't work in isolation. They actively seek out diverse perspectives. Talk to people who think differently than you. Debate respectfully. Listen carefully. Sometimes the best solutions come from ideas you hadn't considered before. Critical thinking is a skill that can transform your life. It helps you solve problems, make better decisions, and see the world more clearly. But like any skill, it takes practice. Start small, ask more questions, challenge your assumptions, and reflect on your actions. Over time, you'll notice a big difference in the way you approach life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep growing, and keep thinking critically.